Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel A Light in Kaliyuga. What we are going to do today is reading the funniest and most precious comments of the famous song of Titanic. So let's open Google and type www.youtube.com youtube.com and hit the enter. In this type of situations, we first click the Wi-Fi button and connect the Wi-Fi, and again www.youtube.com. Then search Titanic movie song, click the song, and while hearing the song, let's read the comments. So let's read it. Jack wanted to live, Rose wanted to die. Jack died for Rose. Rose lived for Jack. The emotional power behind this song pulls my tears out every single time I listen to it. Just a pure human beauty. This was the best movie ever made. No other movies will ever replace this masterpiece. This movie will never grow old. It will keep entertaining people till the end of time. My childhood. I want to live again in my childhood. Love is evergreen. Titanic is a masterpiece of love. This movie was made in 1997, but it was never old. Legendary movies comes late but remain in the heart of people forever. Salute. James Cameron made a tragic disaster into an epic love story. Legendary work. Titanic is such a obsessive story that even after 109 years it still lives in our heart. I think Captain Jack Sparrow can survive even in this situation. Titanic is the saddest yet the most beautiful film in the world. I think it's the only movie I can watch dozens of times without getting bored. Missing you lot. Please come back. My life I can live without you. A woman's heart is a deep ocean of secrets. I felt that. I miss this song, so I come here. I love you Titanic and all the people who implicated to this movie and song. When I listening this song, that moment is every time special for me. This is beautiful. I have 8 years in 1997. When the movie Titanic was made, I remember to listen this music so many times when I was a child. He died for her and she lived for him. No mention of James Cameron, without whom there is no Jack and Rose. I named my son Dawson after this movie. This movie literally hit my soul. This song always make me remember lost family and friends. It's true that the hate does go on. Dead people receive more flowers than the living because regret is stronger than gratitude. This is a masterpiece. It's better than the Mona Lisa painting. I am a Japanese woman. Today I watched this movie for the first time. Almost Japanese movies last is happy. So I cried many times. However, I love this movie very much Thank you for reading. This song touches everyone's inner soul and head to define what is love. This is not just a movie, it's an emotion. I figure life is a gift and I don't intend on wasting it. Jack Darson. This movie always reminds me of how strong love is. Love is an eternal connection, not physical attraction. Just like Rose loved Jack, even he was poor. This movie literally changed my perspective. Such a masterpiece. Titanic. I am one of the biggest tragedy in modern history. James Cameron. I am going to make it the greatest love story ever. Me, my future grandchildren. Hey grandma, what makes you sad? Me. Sit down dear, I will tell you the story of Titanic. Fun fact. This movie won 11 Oscars but none for acting. The day I watched this movie is the day I fell in love with Leonardo. He is so handsome. Now the people who died in the Titanic are sleeping under the ocean. In this generation, it is impossible to find someone like Jack, who would understand you and not give up on you. But still we fall in love with this song. Jack and Rose will live forever in the heart of audience. You jump, I jump, right? Rose, 1912, Titanic. This is not just a movie, it's an emotion. The sad part of this movie is how Rose threw away the necklace at the end of showing how she loves him and misses him and that Jack could be never with her anymore. Come back here every single day, no matter I feel happy, sad or miserable. This song always makes my head feels fulfilled, gives me a peace of mind and a moment to forget all my worries and stress. This song has my head. This movie was good when I was a kid. Now that I am an adult, this movie is almost perfect. Listen Rose, you are gonna get out of here. You are gonna go on and you are gonna make lots of babies and you are gonna watch them grow. You are gonna die an old lady warm in her bed. Not here, not this night, not like this. Do you understand me? Probably the most heartwarming love story ever. I don't even have a picture of him. He exists now only in my memory. I am sorry, but Leonardo deserved an Oscar for this movie. This was the best movie he ever did, and that's on that. His acting and execution was amazing. This song will never feel old. It is always perfect in my head. Words. Words have a magical power. They can either bring the greatest happiness or the deepest despair.